Hey there, welcome back all you DIYers. Tonight we're working on the Lincoln again, and we got a little air conditioning, heating problem, and we got an easy fix for you. Let's get started. All right, so what we got here is a 2013 Lincoln MKX. The complaint is actually from my wife, and about 2 months ago it happened, and now it's happened. It seems to be a little more permanent. Hopefully it'll act up again here in just a second. But what happened was she was getting full heat on the passenger side, or on the driver's side, and full cooling on the passenger side. So what is after a little bit of research, is finding out that the mixing box that's down underneath in the kick panel in the middle is not shutting off the heat all the way. So it's letting the heat come in and not shutting that off. So the driver's side gets all the heat, passenger side gets all the cooling. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up and see if we can get it to do this. All right, so I got a little infrared thermometer here. This side over here right now is blowing at about, hopefully you can see that, about 78 degrees, almost 79 degrees. Passenger side at 51 degrees, and they are both set at 67 degrees inside. This is obviously going to warm up as the vehicle warms up. So yeah, here we shoot it again. Yeah, now we're up 80 degrees. 44 degrees coming out of there. So down here is a little mixing valve that's down here in the kick panel in the middle. I'm going to show you how to get to it and replace that. So, all right, to start with, we have to remove this panel that's right underneath the steering. There are two 10 millimeter bolts in here. Remove those. And the rest of this pops out. There is a little hose that's here. Those pop right out of there, and we can set this off to the side. Okay, I'm going to try to show you where this thing is. This is not the easiest thing to get to. So as we go in here, I'm going to try to look in through here, right in back behind here. I don't know if I can focus on that or not. But you can see that little white circle that's right there. It's just right there past my finger. That little white circle there is this damper that sits inside of there. That sits in there just like this. There is a screw in this upper corner and these two lower ones. And those are those three you have to get out. There's also a plug that's over here. I'm going to work on trying to get that out of there. This is not going to be an easy task, but this is the only way that it gets fixed. All right, so got it all switched out. We're going to go ahead and check these temperatures again. Passenger side right now, 50 degrees. Side, almost 52 degrees. That works much better. So, hey, I do want to show you something real quick, a little trick to get this done. All right, so if you had not noticed before in the video, this hole was not there before. I took a drill bit and drilled a hole in there. It's almost straight in. If you put a hole just a little bit higher, right up against the top, almost in the corner, it'll be straight across from the bottom right-hand screw that holds that actuator in there. So that will help you out. That saved me probably 10 minutes or maybe even more, because I couldn't find a short enough bit to try and get back behind there. Plus trying to lay in here, get both hands up in underneath there and get the screw that was in there out. That will help you a lot. So it doesn't hurt anything. It's just a plastic molding that goes around there. All the clips right here are in the front for the cover that's on here. So it's just a matter of buttoning everything back up now. So here we go. One more double check here. 48.9. Call it 49. This one on this side. 43. That's not too bad. Hey, I can, well, yeah, there, there's 44.5. Hey, anyway, hey, that actually fixes this up. Here's the part right here. I'm going to put the number to it and everything down in the description. Other than that, hey, it's a little bit of a contortion to get down in there to get this thing fixed, but hey, definitely worth it, and you'll be much cooler driving around in the summertime. So hey, and until next time, hey, share it, like it, subscribe to it, and hey, we'll see you next time. Later.